finding quartiles, the process of calculating the median of the lower and upper halves of a data set. Quartiles are values that divide a data set into 4 equal parts. Think of them like quarters of a dollar. There is the first quartile, called Q1, which marks the 25th percentile. The second quartile, Q2, is better known as the median, and the third quartile, Q3, marks the 75th percentile. To find quartiles, you must first be comfortable finding the median. The median is simply the middle number in a sorted list of data. Finding quartiles is essentially just finding the median multiple times. Here is the 3-step process. First, always order your data from least to greatest. Second, find the median of the entire set to split the data into a lower half and an upper half. Third, find the median of those individual halves. The median of the lower half is Q1, and the median of the upper half is Q3. Let's look at an example with an odd number of data points. Here is a raw dataset, 3, 7, 8, 5, 12, 14, and 21. The very first thing to do is arrange them in order. The sorted list becomes 3, 5, 7, 8, 12, 14, 21. Because there are 7 numbers, there is exactly 1 number in the middle. The number 8 has 3 values to its left and 3 values to its right. So, 8 is the median, or Q2. This number acts as a wall that separates the data. Now focus only on the numbers to the left of the median. These make up the lower half, 3, 5, and 7. To find Q1, simply find the median of this small group. The middle number is 5. So 5 is the first quartile. Next, focus on the numbers to the right of the median. These make up the upper half, 12, 14, and 21. The middle number here is 14, so 14 is the third quartile. Things change slightly when you have an even number of data points. Consider this set of 8 numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Since there is no single middle number, the median is the average of the 2 middle numbers, 8 and 10. The median is 9. This splits the data right down the center. Because the split happened between numbers, the lower half includes everything below the split, 2, 4, 6, and 8. The median of these 4 numbers is the average of 4 and 6, which is 5. So Q1 is 5. The upper half is 10, 12, 14, and 16. The median here is the average of 12 and 14, which is 13. So Q3 is 13. To recap, always sort your data first. Find the median to create a lower and upper half. Then, find the median of the lower half to get Q1 and the median of the upper half to get Q3. If any group has an even number of items, average the middle 2 numbers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.